Hi, welcome to the YouTube channel. This is Alphabet Animal Kingdom. The letter P is for peacock. So here's a blob. From here, I'm going to draw the neck, nice soft turn, and I'm going to make it go wider there, and then go in and out. This will turn, and then dip, and then I'm going to go wide to narrow here. And then this dips in and out for the nostril. So I'm going to go up and then back down, and then I'm going to make the eye here. There's just a lot of different interesting markings here, so pause as needed to see what I'm doing. If not, look at the picture for your own ideas. So this is going to turn up. Here, let me fix the paper for you. And then I've got some oval circles and I'm just going to make a couple of them and connect, and then bring some lines down. Great. And then let's shade it in. So I think it would look really pretty with some colored pencils. It's beautiful. So this is the darkest dark. It's almost black. And have some fun with this as you darken things and fix your lines. So this will be a gradation where it goes light to dark or dark to light, and this is pretty dark right there, and fill these in. So cool. Alright, so these are like U's and they're overlapping like scales. So they just kind of overlap each other, and you can do as many as you want with it. They look really, really pretty. So that's right near the body. And then they had these kind of like blobs. So here's a blob, and then inside it had another circle, and then inside that dips and then goes around. So let's do that again. Blob, another blob, and then dip and then go around. So that's what I saw with the feathers. So thank you so much for tuning in, liking, subscribing to my YouTube channel. This is a peacock. If you have colored pencils or crayons, that would look really pretty. And please like and subscribe. Enjoy.